Have you ever felt completely stuck? Like you have a big problem and no easy way to fix it? Maybe you have a huge project due tomorrow and you haven't even started yet. You feel a lot of pressure, right? In English, we have a very common idiom for this stressful situation. We say you are behind the 8 ball. Learning this phrase will help you understand native speakers much better. It's a great way to improve your English. Let me tell you a funny story about my friend Tom. Tom is a beginner English learner, just like you. I told Tom, "You are really behind the 8 ball with your homework." Tom looked very confused. He went to the local sports club and looked behind all the pool tables. He said, "I can't find the ball anywhere." He thought I was talking about a real game of pool. We had a good laugh once I explained the true meaning. So, what does it really mean? It means being in a very difficult situation where it's hard to succeed. It's not about a real ball. It's about feeling like you have no choices and a lot of pressure on you. The origin is indeed from the game of pool, or billiards. In some games, the 8 ball is a penalty ball. If your target ball is stuck behind the 8 ball, you cannot hit it. You are in a losing position. Now, let's see how to use it correctly. Meet Sarah. Sarah has a lot of work to do this week. Her computer broke, and she lost 3 days of work. Now she has a very tight deadline. She tells her boss, "I am really behind the 8 ball. I might need some help to finish on time." Example 1. We started the game late, so we were behind the 8 ball from the very beginning. Example 2. Without a car, I am really behind the 8 ball for this job because I can't travel easily. Example 3. The company is behind the 8 ball after the stock market crash last month. How can you remember this easily? Think of the number 8 as a giant black wall in front of you. Imagine you are trying to reach a goal, but this heavy ball is blocking your way. You are behind the trouble. Here is a fun fact. This idiom became popular in the United States in the 1920s and 30s. It reflects the American love for games and sports metaphors to describe life's challenges. While it started in the US, you will hear people use it in Canada, the UK, and Australia too. Many old detective movies and blues songs use this phrase to describe someone with bad luck. Today, it is still very common in business and news to describe a difficult start or a disadvantage. Similar sayings include, "in a tight spot" and "up against the wall." They all mean you have limited choices. Another fun one is "in a pickle." It's a bit more casual, but has a similar meaning of being in trouble. The opposites are "on top of the world" and "in the driver's seat." These mean you are in control. You might also say someone is sitting pretty if they have a big advantage and no worries. Related sports idioms are "call the shots," "off the hook," and "game on." English loves sports. Be careful. Don't say "behind of the 8 ball." The "of" is incorrect. Just say "behind the 8 ball." Native speakers often drop small words, but here, adding "of" is a very common learner mistake to avoid. Also, use it for serious problems, not small things like losing a pen. It's for big disadvantages. Quiz time. What does behind the 8 ball mean? Is it A, playing pool, B, in a difficult spot, or C, hiding? The correct answer is B. Excellent work if you got it right. You are mastering English idioms. To recap, it means being in a tough spot with few choices. Use it to sound more natural in English. Share your experiences in the comments. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.